Why does Japanese knotweed keep growing back? One of the most frustrating things about Japanese knotweed is this. People cut it down, dig it out, or spray it with weed killer, and then it comes back again. So why does Japanese knotweed keep returning? The answer is mostly underground. The real problem is under the soil. The visible stems and leaves are only part of the plant. Under the ground, Japanese knotweed spreads through a thick underground root system called rhizomes. These rhizomes can spread through the soil well beyond the visible growth above ground. Even if the surface plant is removed, the underground rhizomes can still survive and produce new shoots later. Another problem is that very small pieces of knotweed rhizome can sometimes regrow, and that means digging, strimming, cutting, removing soil can actually spread the plant if material is left behind or moved elsewhere. This is one reason DIY removal often fails. Now, cutting it down usually does not kill it. Many people assume repeatedly cutting knotweed will eventually get rid of it. Normally, it does not. Cutting removes the visible growth, but the underground rhizomes usually survive and simply send up fresh shoots later. Sometimes the plant appears gone for months before returning again. Japanese knotweed stores energy inside the underground rhizomes. That stored energy helps the plants regrow even after cutting, herbicide attack, winter dieback. This is why proper treatment often takes time. The underground system usually has to be weakened gradually over multiple growing seasons. Disturbing it could just make things worse. Ironically, disturbing knotweed without a proper plan can sometimes spread it further. Broken rhizomes may survive in loose soil, garden waste, dump material, contaminated ground. This is why professional treatment programs are usually carefully managed and monitored. The good news is that Japanese knotweed is usually a manageable problem. Modern professional treatment programs are often very effective when the plant is identified correctly and treated properly over time. Many infestations can be controlled and eventually eradicated completely. So if you are unsure whether you may have knotweed or not, avoid digging or moving the suspected plant until you know exactly what it is. You can send us clear photographs for a quick, free initial check at www.knotweed.org.uk. Now, if you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and see our other videos about Japanese knotweed, how to find out just exactly what it is, and most important of all, how to get rid of it.